today for the Bitcoin price. And yes guys, this is an emergency. I am sitting here on the side of a street in a random restaurant. I looked at the charts and I saw that the next break for Bitcoin is literally imminent right now. I need you to watch this video until the very end. It's gonna be a few minutes only, but I will talk about my price targets. I will talk about trade on Bitcoin right now, racking in 11 Bitcoin in a profit, almost $250,000 US in a profit right now. The question is, what is the next price target? I will talk about that. We will be on the hourly for now. What I want to show you is that Bitcoin is right now coiling up in an ascending triangle with a bullish bias after a big run towards the upside. Chances are at least higher to break towards the upside than they are towards the downside. We have a 70-30 chance. By the way, let me quickly go back here. Before I am going into the price targets and more, I want to show you. I'm sitting here with a lot of friends and we just had an absolutely amazing day of playing football. It's football, not soccer. And anyways, follow me on Instagram if you want to see more about that. Now let's talk about the Bitcoin price. By the way, please, let's hit 5,000 likes on today's video. I know it's difficult in a bear market, my hair is really wasted, but I would really appreciate it. During these times, it's very important to get the support, to show the YouTube algorithm that these videos are important, in fact, because YouTube doesn't like to push these videos when it's the most important. I don't know why. I love the platform, but somehow they are not giving the impressions when it's necessary, and when it's going sideways, I'm getting all the views, right? So please like this video for the sake of others. So what you can see here is that Bitcoin is calling up in this ascending triangle, or like almost, if you draw it a little bit different, you can call it a bull flag. And if you actually call it a bull flag, let me quickly show you. The price target would be this half pole, like you take it here and then like you do something like that, right? We would get a price target of 23,000. But you know the deal, guys. I always like to be a little bit more conservative. And if you are a little bit more conservative, then you can take actually this target here. The 23 was the first one. And then of course, a much lower target comes out, but still a beautiful one and a new high, which would be so important for Bitcoin right now, $21,600 US. And this is potentially also where I am going to, if we break out, scale the trade higher and then continuously go out of my trade, which is here at 1.2 million US trade, racking in roundabout, let me quickly go back here, roundabout $250,000 US in a profit. And now it's important, guys. It's not only about the immediate short term. What I want to talk about is the bigger picture, because we have to understand, if we want to put in these legendary trades on Bitcoin, we need to understand the bigger picture. We need to understand when to stay in the trade and when to go out. By the way, if you want to be trading as well, the trade you saw here was over on Bybit. I will leave you in the pinned comment down below a link where you can get up to $30,000 US in free bonuses. If you click the link, register deposit, you can get up to $30,000 US in free bonuses. And of course, also less, it depends on how much you deposit. But this bonus link, you get a bonus, I get a bonus, everyone wins, as long as we keep on winning the trades. And that is important. That's why we are talking about what is going on here. But make sure you take advantage of that in the pinned comment down below. Quick reminder, recently we were absolutely rocking it. We were rocking this breakout from this triangle. We were rocking the breakout from the previous triangle, hitting our price target from 20,000. People were laughing at us left and right. Well, they are not laughing at us anymore. And in fact, if we are pulling out the weekly, I have some good news to share with you. If we are pulling out the VPVR and zooming in the most important visible range here, then you can see where Bitcoin is right now. Actually, let me put in a horizontal line. Where Bitcoin is floating at right now. Where are the horizontal lines? Man, I played so much football today. It was crazy. Bitcoin already overcame the point of control. The point of control was here. We are already above that. There is not much volume resistance left. And then we have a whole lot of nothing all the way up to 30,000. Once again, guys, I am not telling you that we are going to hit $30,000 US tomorrow. Not at all. But what I am telling you, the recent days, we have overcome already a lot of the important volume, which was very important to overcome. If Bitcoin is able to maintain these levels, we have a good chance to hit 30,000 within the next, let's call it 1 month. It's not a call necessarily, But keep this in mind, at least going forward. In fact, my trade, I'm going to take a lot of profits all the way up there, because you never know when it's going against us, and nothing goes up in a straight line forever. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We are going to see each other very soon at the next one of M&Crypto. And as always, guys, as always, my food is coming. Bye-bye.